ET Outdoors. Today we went bird hunting, as you can tell. We killed a dove with a marble. One shot, one kill. Right in the neck. See? And today we had, oh yeah, we killed it with that little marble. Well, we had a special guest today. We just now told her about it. And here she is. What's your name?
Lacey.
I'm
planning on getting a YouTube channel.
Okay. What do you like ET Outdoors? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
Thank you for your service. Man, I'm still shocked about that.
Did you end it?
Not yet.
Okay.
Well, that's all, folks. Maybe we'll catch another one.
I'm just amazed
Bye.
how I could get back on my four-wheel, go to my house, grab my slingshot, come back down here and drill it. I was aiming for that one behind the skateboard because he was, I couldn't tell if he was bigger, but he acted like he was bigger, but this one was darker, so hey, I'm glad I got him. He's good.
Yep. Well, that's all, folks. Goodbye.